Hey guys, welcome to Madam Daag's family channel. We have two boxes here, food hamper. So let's see what's inside the box. But on top there's two, like per box. There's loaf of bread, sliced bread, and ground pork. Oh no, this is beef. So lean ground beef. And the other one also sliced bread and a lean ground beef. So yan siya guys, another food hamper from food bank. So thank you very much, shout out to food bank, sponsors and donors. So there you go. Oh, they have basmati rice, I guess. So this is on in the first box. So we have, what's this one? Fat-free International Delight coffee whitener. Oh, it's like a cream. It's like a cream, guys, and it's broke. Maybe it's... We have here, kosher salt. Holy cow, this is too much for salt. We have yogurts. So I like these yogurts, guys. We have rice, like they know, I think this is a basmati rice. Of course there's oranges. Oh, I love oranges. One bag of oranges. We have repolyo here. Cantaloupe. And this one in a can, it's flake of ham. So I never tried that one. We have peanut butter. See, we have peanut butter, guys. Celery. So we can eat celery by raw, or we can also put this one as veggies like we cook. This is cheese, cheddar, or because there are different kinds of cheese here. So there's 4 bags of cheese. Then this one here is the maple leaf flocons. Flakes of ham, the same thing with the other one, but different. And this one is the tomato sauce. We have 4 tomato sauce here. Then another flakes of ham. This one is the chicken flavor. And of course we have the Nutri-Green. Cheddar. What's this one? Strawberry and cream. Is this caffeine free? What's this one? No. I don't know. We have the bell pepper. One bag of bell pepper. Let's put it back before we open the next box. Lots, guys, like lots. But if we cook this one or it will just consume maybe for 2 weeks or something. But not all. Okay, this is the second box here. Oh, the same thing inside the box. Before, when they send items, maybe the driver grabbed the wrong one, or I don't know. Because they usually like deliver this stuff. So the same thing inside the box. See? So there's rice. Yeah, the same thing. It's the same thing inside the box. From this box and to this box. The same thing, guys. So shout out to all the sponsors of Food Bank, Regina Food Bank. I know big companies are donating products or sometimes money just to share the needy ones. So this is all about the food hamper, guys. Shout out to all my friends, my families, my organic friends. Shout out to you guys. I don't want to mention anyone because maybe I forgot one name, then they will get upset or And thank you for everything, guys, for the support, for thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I know this is a true to life videos. So thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Bye bye. See you in my next video.